Use the binomial theorem to expand this term here, when x is less than 2/3, the modulus of, in ascending powers of x up to and including the term in x cubed. Give each coefficient as a simplified fraction. F of x is equal to this expression here, where a and b are constants. In the binomial expansion of f of x in ascending powers of x, the coefficient of x is 0, and the coefficient of x squared is 9/16. Find the values of a and the value of b, and the coefficient of x cubed, giving your answer as a simplified fraction. So I've summarized the question here as usual. Let's have a look at this then. First of all, the binomial expansion of 2 minus 3x to the minus 2. So here, 2 minus 3x to the minus 2 then is equal to, take a 2 outside a bracket, and it's 1 minus 3x over 2, isn't it? All of that is to the minus 2. Properties of indices now, that's 2 to the minus 2, isn't it? The first part of the product to the power times the second part of the product to the power minus 2. So what have we got then? We've got a quarter here, so that's equal to 1/4. And then we can use the binomial theorem here. So it's 1 plus nx, so that's minus 2 times the x value, plus n minus 1, the x value minus 3x over 2 squared, over 2 factorial, plus n minus 1, n minus 2, isn't it? X cubed now, so it's minus 3x over 2 cubed, over 3 factorial, and that is plus dot dot dot, and then close the brace at the end. So what have we got then? Got a quarter, 1, 2 minuses make a plus, one of the 2's cancel to leave 3x. Next, the 2 cancels here and here. There's 4 minuses to make a plus. There's 3 cubed in total, so that's 27. X squared, and there's a 2 squared here left, isn't there? So that's over 4. Then the next one is 6 minuses, so there's still a plus. A 3 factorial will cancel here and here. There's a 3 cubed, so we can put 27 again, x cubed. So there's an x cubed. There's a 2 cubed here, so those 2, that 4 will cancel with 2 of them, leave just one of them. So that's what we've got then. So let's run the quarter through now to write down the final answer. So it's 1/4 plus 3x over 4 plus 27x squared over 16 plus 27x cubed over the 8, isn't it? Plus dot dot dot. So there's our binomial expansion of that term. Here's the condition, so let's just obtain that. So that it's equal to that, provided that this term in here, modulus of, is less than 1. So let's take the 2 up and the 3 down. We can drop the minus because it's a modulus, and we simply get x is less than 2/3, which is what we wanted. Modulus of. So that's part A done then and complete. Now f of x is equal to this. The coefficient of x is 0 and the coefficient of x squared is 9/16. So let's write that down. So part B, f of x is equal to a plus bx times this stuff here, isn't it? Which we can put in. There we go. Now we're told the coefficient of x is 0. So let's equate that then. So here, what have we got then? A times over 4 is a constant. Oh, we're looking for the coefficient of x, aren't we? Not the constant. So it would be, in the expansion when we run the a through, it would be 3a over 4 lots of x. So the coefficient is 3a over 4. And then when we expand the b's through, the x term will arise from this one here, this product, b over 4. So that coefficient of x is 0. So that tells us then that b is equal to, the 4's can be times through by 4 all the way through, will disappear, and then move the 3a over to minus 3a. So b equals minus 3a. So there's our first piece of information. We're told the coefficient of x squared is 9 over 16. So that arises from 27a over 16 plus, and then the b term will be this product here, won't it? 3b over 4 is equal to 9 over 16. Multiply through all the way through by 16 then. 27a plus 16 of these will be just 12, because one of the 4's will cancel. 4 3's are 12, is equal to 9 when we times through by 16. This is our second equation. So we can solve for a and b. So let's do that then. So 27a plus 12b, and b is minus 3a, so substitute it in, is equal to 9. 27a take away 36 is minus 9a equals 9. So that tells us that a equals minus 1, which looks good. So there's a. Now b is minus 3a, so that implies that b is equal to minus 3a. Minus times minus is a plus, 3 ones are 3, so b equals 3. Good. So there's a and b then. Now we need to find the coefficient of x cubed. Let's just go back up to remind ourselves. Part C, the coefficient of x cubed. So part C now. The x cubed terms. What have we got as the coefficient? Let's have a look. Here it is here. So it'd be a times 27a over 8. That's what we got there for that x cubed. And the x cubed from the bx product will give 27b over 16. So we've got a is minus 1, so it's minus 27 over 8. And then b is 3, so that would be 81, won't it? Plus 81 over 16. Double this then. Minus 54 over 16 plus 81 over 16. 81 take 54 is 27 over the 16. So there's the coefficient of x cubed.